Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing the biggest variable, Wi-Fi. Plug the PC into Ethernet and plug your Xbox controller into USB on the PC so inputs are local and faster. Once done, stop background uploads and cloud sync apps and disable VPNs because they add jitter and extra hops. Make sure the PC is connected to your router LAN port, not through a switch with heavy traffic, and confirm basic speeds with a quick speed test so you know baseline bandwidth. Next, you configure the network. Open your router and enable CoS, giving top priority to your PC's LAN IP or the Xbox Cloud Services ports. This reduces competition from other devices. Once done, enable UPnP and any built-in gaming or low latency features to minimize NAT delays. Make sure DNS is set to a fast resolver, and if you suspect fragmentation, check and adjust MTU values. These changes lower jitter and packet loss, which are the usual causes of input delay for cloud gaming. Finally, adjust the Xbox Cloud streaming settings. Choose the low latency or lower resolution preset, 480 to 720p, to reduce encoding delay and make sure frame rate options match your display. Run ping and traceroute tests while gaming to confirm jitter and packet loss are under 30 ms and near 0% respectively. If delay remains, test a mobile hotspot to isolate your ISP. If the hotspot is better, contact your ISP. One troubleshooting tip: if you still see high jitter, reboot the modem and router after saving CoS settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.